Okay, what's up, guys? Me and Green are getting phantoms. And Green, where'd you got? Okay, I'm kind of laggy right now, but yeah, we're getting phantoms. And we have a mine shaft. I do not know where it's Green, but mine shaft is like down here. I went down a long way. Ain't it? Let's see where is the mine shaft. Hey, Green, can you join a chat? Okay, this is our mine shaft. We like sharing it and stuff. Hold on, I need to go down. Yes, this is our mine shaft. We find iron when we're going to the stairs. Yeah. I hear zombies. And I'm going back up. Hold on. There you go. Oh, almost drowned now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my. Hey, Green, join a chat. Yes, please kill that. Okay, you killed it. Okay. Oh, what's always behind you, Green? Green. Green, you can hear me? Hi. Okay. He does chat at me. Why are you...
Hey guys, it's Pirate Shark, and I know Wizard talked to you and did the intro, but let me show you around my house. So this is gonna be my like creeper house. I know it doesn't really look like much, but I will do it. Well, it's not gonna technically be a house or anything, but it's gonna be like a store, if you know what I mean. I'll do parkour here. Yeah. Um, yeah. Let me just get working on that. Um, yeah. Let me just work on that, and I'll be with you in a sec. Wrong thing. Whoa, this is huge. Okay, I'm not gonna do it this side, but this is kind of how big I want it to be. But I don't know. I'm gonna do like parkour in the center here and a bunch of chests here. And like maybe some netherite for the mouth and stuff and the eyes. And yeah, if you go on here, it's called Random SMP. I'm kidding, I don't think you can go on here. But check at this. Oh, I can't zoom in, but I used to. But look at those creepers right over there. Maybe one of that could be in here. But glass, of course, so it won't boom explode. Anyway, let's get right into building again. Also, I'm gonna need a lot more logs because look at my inventory. I only have heads, of food, just not a lot of blocks though. I mean, I got blocks like sand and cobblestone, but I want to use oak planks. Okay, so let's get right into building. No, I'm out of logs. As you can see, I am out of logs here. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to break all that. Like, make it to here or something. Do you think I can make it this high? I bet it'll be good. Yeah. Comment down below if I should make it this high. Whoa! Look at Greenkid1. What he's making. He's making a boat. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, he's making a boat. And also, I forgot to tell you. Whenever we get to 1,000,000 or 100 or something, we will do a big sale. So subscribe and you'll get stuff like a shirt, maybe some DCMZ stuff, and like a mask, DCMZ like um, uh, autograph, uh, yeah, those are the stuff I'm thinking about right now. And it also come with the DCMZ box, and yeah, it'll cost like about 15. A box will cost $15. A shirt will cost no, a shirt will cost $15. A box will cost $10. No, no, it's a box. A box will cost A box will cost $15. No, yeah, a box will cost $15. Shirt will cost $10. Um, um, and just other stuff like a mask, like one piece, will cost about $5. Anyway, that's good for now. Let's get right into the build. Or in other words, the wizard will do it, and yeah. Anyway, we're gonna finish this up really quickly.
Okay. Hey guys. Okay. I'm living with Greenkid1. This is like on the like a private server. And yes, I'm living with Greenkid1. This is not like my stuff. Like up here is like all my stuff. And I didn't build my house. Yes, I found those. I will show you in this video. And I almost got iron armor. Like I got a chest plate, blah blah blah. And yes, I got this. And yes, go check out our short. I will go show you what I found. Yes, and it's also beacons. building a treehouse. Hold on. Yes, I didn't think that or someone else did. Like, probably, I don't know. I think I'm gonna say, yes. Oh, wow, I'm hungry. Okay. Yeah, look at Green's face. Yes, he like made this dome. He like made this dome and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yes. I'm not done with my house, but in this, yes, oh my God, I need to close this because I know where people go in because it is a thing like whoever plays Minecraft or something. Yes, I got like a shield. Yes, I'm gonna have a hall right here. Like a hall, like, and my house is gonna be right here. Yeah, a second thing, probably I'm not gonna live here. Maybe.
Check out this tree house. Like it was like a cool tree, and I just turned it into this tree house. Which wizard will have 2 floors, and I will have 2 floors. Also on the Switch, I made like this cool I made this like cool tree, not tree. I made this cool tent. I wanted to make it from my house, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's get to work on. I don't really know. Okay, so the wizard. I mean, not the wizard. The creeper shop. I want it to kind of look like this. Probably this will be different. But like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. But there'll be like a store here, like a check-in. I'll probably put like a lector. Um, and probably some stone blocks here. But yeah, there's like parkour, which you can't really do it like when you're like low. Okay, so let me get some hearts and then we'll be right there. Alright, what's up guys? Sorry, that was kind of doing the intro there. Okay, so I forgot to tell you, this is a public world. So we can't like really talk and stuff. But anyway, this is my shop ideas. So you inside. I kind of already showed you this, but yeah, I might put like slime blocks here, and then you jump. I mean, you should jump. Oh, it's not really working, but there we go. Ah, shoot. Alright. Thought someone claimed it for a sec.